Hi everyone, myself Priyanka, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Christ College Autonomous Iranyalakuda. We are moving with our topic in the push-down automata in the theory of computation. So we have already discussed two push-down automata. That is, we have already seen two examples of push-down automata. Now we are moving with the third example. So third example is 0 raised to 2n and 1 raised to n. We have already seen in our previous example what 0 raised to n and 1 raised to 2n. In that, what we have done, the logic, we have inserted zeros as it is, but for 1 we match for like what? Like this we have matched for, because there is for 1 0 there is 2 1, and first one is made as x and second one is, for the second one I have made what? Null. Okay, that's the thing we have done. So like the similar way we are doing, but there is one difference, because here 0 raised to 2, and so for two zeros we must match what? 1. So what we will do is, when we have to match two zeros to 1 1, so first 0 we will make it as x and second 0 we will make it as 0. That is, every consecutive pair of zeros is taken, and for the first consecutive pair of first pair in the pair, first 0 is taken and it is made as x, and again we see 0, we make it as what? 0. Okay, so that's the concept here. So we can move with the designing, how it will design, so you will get an idea. So this is the tape. 0 I am taking, 0 is repeated 4 times, so 1 will be repeated what? 2 times. Okay, so this 0 must be matched with what? This 1, and this 0 must be matched with what? This 1. Okay, that's the concept here. So when we design it, we can discuss clearly. So we can move to the design. So in the first phase, what will we do? We will insert the 0. Okay, so I have already said what is the concept in inserting 0. When I insert first 0, it is marked as x, and another 0 when I see, it will marked as what? 0. That is the concept I have said, because we have to take pair of zeros, and for a pair of zeros there is only 1 0, then only it will be matched with what? 1. Okay, so first on the stack top, that is what? Z0. Okay, Z0 will be there, and first 0 when I see, I will mark it as what? X. Okay, so 0 seen, stack top is Z0, I will insert what? Z0, then X I will insert, so I will insert 0 as what? X. Okay, next 0 when I see, okay, okay, look at here, next 0 when I see, if this tag, this will explain by me after this. So look at here, if coming element is 0, that is in the tape, next as we in the tape we are pointing to here, in the tape we are having 0, and in the stack top if it is x, then insert what? 0. Okay, I am inserting what? 0 I am inserting. Okay, so I insert what? This x is removed, and I will insert what? 0. So I will insert 0 to it. Okay. Have you been clear to this? Once again I say, if first 0 is seen, stack top is Z0, I will insert what? Z0, then I will insert X. Next 0, when I see if X is in the stack top, we no need to insert X again, isn't it? Because here in this case, we are inserting two elements because we need that both two elements. Z0 is to be needed and X is also needed. But look at here, this X is not needed by us because why we inserted X? To keep track the pair of zeros, we are only inserting X. So if first 0 come, I will insert X. Next 0 come, that X is replaced by what? Actual 0. The actual 0 means when a 0 is inserted into a position, by default the meaning is that we have seen what? 20. So this X is no need to be inserted again. That is why if I see in the stack X 0 to be inserted means this X is popped out. If we want to insert two elements, you can insert two elements by like this. If we no need to insert two element, only one element, you can also insert what? One element. Okay. Next one, so I will rub it. Okay, so we are having what? Z0, then we are having what? 0 now. Okay, we have seen up to here. Okay, we have seen up to here. Next the tape element is 0. If 0 is coming in the stack top, if it is 0, I will insert what? 0 is inserted again and I will mark it as X, because this 0 here we have seen a pair, but here we have not seen two zeros, we are seeing the first of the two zero. So I will mark it as what? X. That is, every time when you do 0 raised to 2 and odd positions are marked as X, and even position that X is replaced by what? 0. So after some time this will be replaced. This will be replaced by what? 0. Okay, this will be replaced by what? 0 to it. So I mark it as 0. After, see, up to here, when I do the loop or when the PDA is working, you will get two zeros on your stack. Okay, that's said by this. Next, what we do? Next, when I see 1, I will pop a 0. That is 1. If I see first 1, I must pop 0 from the stack. That is, see, 1 is coming. Stack stop is 0. I will put it as epsilon, means this is being deleted. So what we will get? Z0 and 0 we will get. Okay, so I will repeat it. After repeating, what you will get? Again 0 stack top and 1 is in the tape. We will make it as null and we will get what? Z0 on the top. Okay, this 0 is also gone. So the Z0 on the top, if I get Z0 on the top, that is a correct expression. If every one I inserted is popped out with the corresponding every 0 I inserted popped out with the corresponding one, then my expression is correct. So if I get up to this, that is Z0 on the top, then the null is on the tape and Z0 on the top, and I will pop the Z0 and make it epsilon. This is called what? Empty stack PDA. Again I am saying you can draw accepting state PDA also, but now for example I am drawing only empty stack PDA. That's the concept about 0 raised to n, 1 raised to 0 raised to 2 and 1 raised to n. For every pair of zeros, first element must in a pair, first 0 must be marked with X and next 0 to the next must be replaced with the correct 0. Then it must merge with the 1 because 0 is repeated 2n times and 1 is repeated only n times. That's the concept about it. So that's about the concept. So when we and you move with the examples, you must get a clear cut idea about the PDA because it's very simple, but you must think in a different way. Don't think like a DFA. It's a different machine, so think as such what it is able to do. Okay, so thank you all.